133 Jackson virtual tour. This is a duplex over in Painesville. As you can see, you have a ton of parking here. So this lot goes clear back over here. It has a brand new roof on it. Two side-by-side duplexes. Let's go inside. And you can see here, there's kind of a one bedroom, but it could be a two bedroom. This one bedroom just doesn't have a closet, but you can convert it into a bedroom if you want. It has a living room area. All the appliances stay. It's a nice kitchen, eat-in, dinette area. So it's got this linoleum flooring we put down a few years ago. It is newer, it's very tough, so it will last. You can see here we painted the wood floors. And this is another room here that you have. So, and there's also a bathroom, a full bath. Needs a little cleanup, but I mean, he is going to clean up the trash and everything, get all that out. But as far as the unit, it's very nice. Again, it has a brand new roof that we put on it. It's close to 10 grand. Also has a new sewer line in it. And here's the basement. So he has these units do have a basement, so that is a nice feature, and there's just plenty of parking on these things. So if you're interested in a duplex in Painesville, Ohio, there's not any price better than this one. So get out here and see it. Thanks.